$158,000 per day dropshipping low ticket items from AliExpress using Shopify and Facebook. So the exact same business model that probably all you guys are utilizing. So I'm going to show you what the store is, how they're doing it, their Facebook ads, etc. And I'm also going to show you a strategy that you can apply to your business to help grow your sales and to basically do the same sort of thing that this store is doing, to drive insane amounts of traffic to their store and ridiculous revenue. So I'm going to show you that at the end. So stay tuned if you're interested in that. Okay, so I'll show you the store in a minute, but firstly I just want to go over some statistics that I've analysed from this store. So in August 2018, so very recent, they had 3.4 million visitors to their store, and that's pretty insane. Let's put it this way, one of the fastest growing e-commerce companies, Gymshark in the UK, where I'm from, I think they're valued at about 100 million now, and their traffic volume per month is about half of this value here. So this is an insane dropshipping store. The amount of money that they're making is insane. So let's say the average conversion rate is roughly 4%. So I've took like an industry standard there. It's pretty standard for dropshipping, about 4% conversion rate. So I've done 0.04 for the 4% times their traffic volume, which is 3.4 million. So that gives 136,000 orders per month. So let's say of those orders, their average order value was 35. So we do 35 times 136,000 orders. That equals 4.76 million per month in revenue. So if we want to get the daily revenue, we'll do 4.76 million divided by 30, which equals 158,666 per day. Now I know obviously these estimates that I've made can vary quite a bit. Obviously some days they probably did way less than this, but other days they may have even done more than this. But the reason I've made this video, because I want to highlight kind of how this store are able to do this. So in a minute I'm going to go in and show you the exact store, their products, their Facebook pages. I'm also going to show you some similar dropshipping stores that are taking the same sort of approach and how they're able to make crazy revenues per month utilising these methods. So stay tuned. Now due to the sheer size of the store, it's likely that a lot of you guys already know about this store because they've gone literally so viral on Facebook, like millions and millions of views. So now we're going to go right into the store and see what the products are. So here is the store, and yes, it is bluecrate.com. If you haven't seen them yet, they're literally going viral on Facebook. I've been following the store now for about 6 months, and the reason why they're so successful, they utilize lots of different big media pages on Facebook, which have millions of likes and followers, and they just post viral kind of video ads of their products. And to me it seems like they order in the actual products from AliExpress, and they have like a team of actors who emphasize what the product does, how it adds value, how it solves problems, and a lot of their videos go completely viral. Like we're talking like hundreds of thousands of comments and shares on their posts. So just have a look down here, you can see some of their products, and in a minute we'll go and have a look at their Facebook pages. They're using so many different Facebook pages to drive this level of traffic. So we just have a look at SimilarWeb here as well. It's a Chrome extension. It basically tells you what the traffic volume is for various stores. So as you can see here, August, pretty much 3.4 million visits to their store. Okay, so this is one of the pages which Blue Crate are using to drive their insane traffic from. They use many pages, but this is one of them. So it's a big kind of media page. So I've just clicked on posts down here. And you can literally see all their products, and they're the typical kind of AliExpress viral products. And you can see that like a lot of their videos are just getting like insane engagement. So if we go on episodes, we'll look at some of the top performing ones. So look, you can see like millions of views and like 4.7 million views, 5.9 million views. If we just click on one, you'll be able to see the typical kind of AliExpress product. Look like a cup holder. You can easily find this on AliExpress, and what they're doing is ordering in the product from AliExpress and then getting a team of people to basically create a video about the product showing what problem it solved. Okay, so here we have another Facebook page, and this is another page which bluecrate.com are using to drive their insane traffic too. So we have a look, you can just see more videos, and they're just posting like the typical AliExpress products. And the crazy thing about this is that they're actually not running any paid media. So if you go on the info and ads section down here, they're not running any like paid Facebook ad campaigns, no retargeting or anything like that. So generally this store could be doing way more in revenue if they knew how to actually fully optimize what they're doing. Because literally they're just posting videos onto a Facebook page and they're going viral, and they're literally getting millions of followers and so forth. So the good thing about this is that if you're a dropshipper, you can literally just come to these pages and just look, because I can guarantee these will have like dedicated research teams which look for viral products. So if you can just come in here and just basically just look at the ones which are going like kind of viral the most, and then use this as a basis for your own product research. So you can pretty much just speed up the whole process of researching products and finding viral products just by coming to these huge media pages which are just kind of finding the most viral products on AliExpress. Okay, so here's another dropshipping business which are using a similar method to Blue Crate by utilizing a huge media page in order to drive insane amounts of traffic to their store. I think this store are getting about 1 point something million visits per month, and see they've got 6 million followers of this page, and they're just posting like viral videos and ads based on dropshipping products. So what I'd do is I've unliked this page. What I'm going to do is re-like this page and then see what comes up in the suggested videos. So see, there's lots of different like suggested pages, and what I'd go and do is go and follow all these. So I can guarantee a lot of these big media pages are also posting viral kind of dropshipping ads and products and things like that to promote their dropshipping businesses. And it's a good way, if you get involved with these pages and start liking them and go and comment on all their posts and things like that, what you'll be able to do is basically build a huge news feed of just viral dropshipping video ads. And what it'll do is it'll automate your product research. So every time you go on Facebook, you'll just see loads of dropshipping products which are trending, which you can also sell in your store. So go ahead, find these media pages, like them, and then see what comes up in the related pages, because I can guarantee you'll find loads of similar sort of things which you can use as part of your product research. Okay, so my advice would be, in order to replicate some of the success that you've just seen from stores like Blue Crate and so forth, is to just go to here and search like things like viral, and then go on posts up here, pages, and then just look for big media pages that you could potentially work with. Now, like getting a media page which is like 5.3 million likes is going to be difficult, but you can still go ahead and message them and literally just bring loads of them up. Just start opening them all in new tabs, and basically just send them a message saying that you've got a new company and that your products that you're selling are good matches for your page, and then just send them a message saying that you want to partner up with them and you'll give them 50% of the profits, etc. And just see who responds, and guarantee if you send out hundreds or thousands of messages, you'll get at least some responses, and you potentially form a partnership with one of these huge pages and start promoting your products through the page, and tell them that you'll literally create all the videos and everything, and literally all they've got to do is post your content with links to your website, and you will give them 50% of the product profits. So this is a good way to get kind of organic traffic to your site without having to spend a lot of money, because there's zero risk, because you don't have to spend the money up front. You only pay these pages once they've got you sales, and you pay them in the form of affiliate commission. Okay, so what you want to do is use the methods that I've said so far, and go out there and find loads of different big media pages on Facebook, the sort of pages where you could promote kind of any like quirky viral sort of products through your general store, and go and contact them with a message saying that you want to partner up with them. So the message can be something like this, like, hey, we're looking for an affiliate partner to work with to help promote our new company who specialise in trending products that we know your audience would love. 50% commissions of all profits made go directly to you. We will do all the work. So we'll manufacture and store the products. We deliver the products to customers. We will create the video adverts. We have a great website. All you have to do is post the content for 50% of our profits. let us know ASAP if you're interested, and we'll add you to our exclusive affiliate program. Thanks. So send a message like this to loads of different media pages. You're going to have to message quite a few, because most probably kind of won't reply and they'll already be getting loads of messages. But I can guarantee if you keep messaging them, you will get replies, and you only need like one kind of big media page that has a decent following to really kind of ramp up the sales in your business and to get loads of organic traffic. And then from this, you can start building things like retargeting campaigns to retarget all the traffic that you generate to your store through these big pages. And you are able to give up 50% of the commissions, because you're not actually going to be spending any money on kind of paid ads through Facebook if all you're doing is giving them the video ad, etc., to basically just post on their page. So you can give up a decent bit of your profit margin because there's no risk up front. You only pay them once they've made you money. So this is a great way to kind of replicate the success that the big pages that I've talked about are having, such as Blue Crate and Inspire Uplift. So yeah, this, particularly with increasing CPMs now, this is a great way to kind of just get more traffic to your website at a lower cost. What I do to get an affiliate program on my store is I use an app in the Shopify store called Reversion, and it literally takes like 20 minutes to install, and you can have an affiliate program instantly on your store. And then what you do is you basically get specific affiliate links for each product that you want to promote based on the product page. You send that to your affiliates, to the big media pages that you partner up with, and then all they have to do is post it, and when they generate sales, they get automatically paid, and so do you. It's super easy. That's it for today. I hope you found this video useful and insightful, and that you can take away what you've learned to implement into your business to drive more organic sales to your Shopify store without having to spend money up front on paid advertising. So if you found this video useful, then be sure to leave a comment down below. Tell me what you thought of it. Tell me what I can improve on for next time. Also, give it a like. And if you're new here, then be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.